How to make a public profile on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can make a public profile on Snapchat app. Now it's quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Make sure to stick to the video till the end. Simply open up Snapchat app and you'll get an interface like this. Now log into your account and tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of the screen, and here you'll be headed to your profile. Now if you scroll down below, here you can see the option My Public Profile there on the screen. Simply tap on My Public Profile here and you'll find an option to create public profile. Simply tap on Create New Public Profile, and then what you want to do is follow through the necessary steps and you'll be able to create public profile. Here you can see I already have my public profile. If you want to delete your public profile, what you can do is tap on the three dots option at the top of your screen. Once you are on public profile, at the top right you'll find three dots here. Now you can manage your public profile, edit them, or do various other stuffs here, or at the bottom you'll find the option delete public profile. So here, however, if you want to make a new public profile, you'll tap on the option My Public Profile here and then simply tap on Create Public Profile and your public profile will be created. So this way you can make a public profile on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.